First, we'll review the new sounds from Lesson 6. G, k, g, k. Let's review our two words that have only one letter. Remember, this one has two pronunciations. The most common one is but it is sometimes pronounced a. I, I. Here are the new sounds for this lesson. Repeat after me. W, 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 w. J, 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 j. This sound is ks. Notice that it sounds like a K followed by an S. Ks, ks, ks. See if you can say the sounds before I do. Ks, w, j, w, j, w, ks, j. First, say the sounds slowly, then say them fast. J, am, jam. J, im, Jim. Jim is a name. That's why it has a capital J. J, jump. W, axe, wax. W, ebb, web. W, ig, wig. F, ox, fox. B, ox, box. F, ix, fix. W, it, wit. J, et, jet. Ix, mix. If you know all of these sounds, you are ready for Lesson 8. See if you can say them before I do. A, b, k, d, e, f, g, I, j, k, o, n, a, s, t, w, x, a, b, k, d, e, f, g, I, j, k, o, n, a, s, t, w, x. First, read the words slowly, then read them fast. W, ag, wag. J, ig, jig. Wept, wept. Jog, jog. Six, six. Weld, weld. Job, job. Jug, jug. Mix, mix. Let's read our two words with one letter. Remember, this one has two pronunciations. The most common one is and the less common one is a. I. Jog, jog. I jog, jog. I jog. Mom and I jog. Mom and I jog. Job, job. I got a job, job. I got a job. I just got a job. I just got a job. Dog, dog, and cat. Dog and cat. A dog and cat ran. A dog and cat ran. A dog and cat ran fast. A dog and cat ran fast. Now we're going to practice all our sounds with some nonsense words. These are fake words. Don't guess. Say the sounds slowly, then say them fast. Ox, hawks. Ix, wicks. Ux, chucks. Ap, wep. Add, jad. Rix, ricks. Jack, jack. Ob, wob. X, pecs.